Hello YouTube, it's me again. Sorry about the sound. I don't have my mic is charging right now. Died. So anyway, this week on the Gonna Walk Utah's Garage Tool Channel, I have a tool channel. It's not even a tool, it's just a whatever. I bought a Crescent wrench for $5. It's what do you call it? Made in USA, Jamestown, New York. Manufactured by Crescent Tool Company. It's pretty cool. You can see that. There's that, and there's the other side. Paid $5 for it. I like Crescent wrenches because I find the old ones a hell of a lot better. The newer ones suck. They don't, like, you bend on it and the thing just keeps opening. I also picked up this wrench. It's I didn't even look at it really. Billings and Spencer Co. 5.5 inch G. Hartford, Connecticut. Made in the USA. It's, I guess, just another little mini pipe wrench. Nothing fancy. See, it's I'll see if I can get the words. Show you. Just a simple, quick tool video. Picked it up for $5. Here's the logo on it. You can see it's pretty cool. It's in decent shape. I go to a little antique store in upstate New York and I buy these little wrenches. I like them. It's kind of like my other one that's always sitting around here. It's kind of like this one I have. I always put it, I leave it next to mine. This is a Wakefield wrench, it says. And then I keep this one right here, just in case I gotta do something. I have my King Dick wrench. And I also keep this one, I keep it locked on my, see, this is similar wrench, similar in size. This is a no-name jobber. But if you look at it, it's the same. Mind you, the difference in this one is it slides inside it. This thing goes inside the wrench. And this one basically, I guess, well, probably it's just the same thing, but there's no back piece. That, like, you can hold this, the wrench comes out. This you can hold it, but you're actually holding on to the stick part, which is pretty cool. Like, two different designs. It's kind of neat. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully my microphone will be charged and won't go dead. So thanks for watching, and thanks a lot.